na ni bụ onye Igbo. Boycott Ethiopian Airlines. Boycott Ethiopian Airlines. Ọkwa ka hariti gị na mkpọrọ ka nna gwakwo gị fa. Chelu ka nkọlụ na ife Ethiopia na-eme ndị Nigeria, especially Igbo men ndị na-agba in-route visa. For ndị na-agba Ethiopian visa, ị ga-ama na Ethiopian visa na-awụkarị connecting flights. For instance, ọ bụrụ na n'isi Dubai na-abata Abuja, Ethiopian Airlines ga-akwụsị gị na Ethiopia. Ha kwụsị gị na Ethiopia, ha wee connect ya gị to flight na-abata Abuja. Let me tell you what Ethiopian Airlines does. If you are traveling from Asia to Nigeria, if you get to Ethiopia, because na nwere layovers, that is, ọ bụrụ na unu bata late, ife duka 10 p.m., their staff will take you to the hotel where you will sleep. Then in the morning, when you are coming back, you know you will pass through security checkpoints. Once niluta akwana security checkpoints, asacha akwana akpa gị wee fuo ego n'ime. Nsogbu adịkwana. First of all, ha ebogo ebubo. Ha ya sigi na n'isi Addis Ababa, and even if na igosi ha your ticket, noko Asian country ko kisiko, noko Dubai kisi, any excuse na-enye ha, oyadna bahanti man, oyadna bahanti. Tata, if an Ndi Igbo emewu cash out, my staff how, mando obodo how, if an Ndi Igbo emewu cash out, and you know what they will do? They will collect all the money. They will collect all the money. Ichoki wakasiono. They did this thing to one of our Igbo brothers, Ahebu Francis Chukwemeka Uzo. And it's not only this person. He married to over 25 Igbo men. You see all those Igbo men hating in Ethiopia. They did not commit any crime. No single crime. Their only crime is that Nahabar Ethiopian Airlines. Due to that connecting flight, Ethiopia name, Habia Brugu from Dubai, Brugu from Asia, Hakusig in Ethiopia. Eba okokan sobugu no webido. Hakusi akwana gị n'Ethiopia. Ethiopia kpurugu, anwunye gị, tinye gị na mkpọrọ. That is why our Nigerian government are fought so hard to release those men in Ethiopia, because a lot of them are innocent people.
Hearing Tuesday, the Senate Committee on Public Petitions treated several cases, including that of confiscation of $70,000 belonging to one Mr. Francis Chukuma by the Ethiopian Authority, the alleged connivance of Kenyan Authority and the Nigerian Immigration Service to deny one Mr. Ndi Igbo entry into Kenya, among others. The petitioners each narrated their ordeals in the hands of government officials in both Kenya and Ethiopia.
They advised me to run for my life. On that process, I was robbed in the front of the hotel when I was moving out. I went to police station to report the case. They could not be able to find who collected my phone and other valuable things I have with me.
Last year, when I got to the Uhuru Kenyatta airport in Kenya, I was stopped. I was told not to enter. I said, for the second time, they say yes. I said, why? They said, it's order for my...
Igbo, boycott Ethiopian Airlines. Boycott Ethiopian Airlines. Ana mafuka ndo fe mane se tefegare. Na sina Ndi Igbo before they put this country bad name. But it is all a lie. Igbo people are the best people on earth. And that's on period. Just look at what Dora Akunyili daughter, Njideka Akunyili, achieved recently. Like, she got a standing ovation from the Obamas, or the Kwanezi, or the Rizi. And that's on period. When an Igbo person accomplished something good, they will tag it as a Nigerian accomplishment. But when an Igbo person commits a crime, they will say, hey, Igbo people, there's only one tribe in this country that commits the most crimes abroad. Obruna ni chorema the tribe in Ghana this page, Madu Kachin Emelum Oguleke, Ghana page, ye,